Hello my friend, this is Molly. With the improvement of people's standard of living, we got ourselves fine food, we buy ourselves fancy clothes and cars, and move into a better house. But have you ever thought about that? The air quality could affect our life quality too. We work out a lot and have a healthy body, but we still feel unwell sometimes. It might be the indoor air problem. Hot wall-mounted ERV helps you remove 90% pollutant with 30 minutes. It monitors and decreases the indoor CO2 concentration to make you feel energy. The ductless design is quite perfect for your decorated houses with 50 square meters. And the 23 dBA running sound made you hardly feel its presence. Health is priceless. Let's take special care for your children and for your family. Contact us now for more details. Bye.